Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you a hack using this here mop that you can get at the Dollar Tree. This to me is an amazing hack. It was a hack that I truly believe I came up with years and years ago to make my life a bit easier. There was a job that I needed to get done, and it was a job that was gonna take me all day to do. And I just kind of sat there thinking to myself, how can I make this go a bit quicker? How can I move this project along and get it done so it's not taking up a full day of mine? And you know what? After thinking about it, I came up with this here mop from the Dollar Tree. This is a hack that I truly believe that I came up with. I don't know if other people have come up with it on their own, but it's not one that I have seen on Pinterest or anywhere else. I'm also gonna be sharing with you some tips and tricks along the way, so stick with me, let's jump into it, and let me show you what I do with this mop.
Today's shout outs going out to Shannon W, Sheila Hines, Teresa Plans, Dolly Smith, HLNL56, and Diamond Lee. I'm going to start off by filling a bucket that I picked up from the Dollar Tree with warm water. Then using some of Dollar Tree's Pine Glow, if you want to use Pine Sol or Mr. Clean, you can. This is what I have on hand. It works great, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to pour a bit of this into my bucket of water. Now taking some dish soap, I'm using the dish soap that I have on hand by Brandless. Any dish soap will do. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons to my mixture of my water and Pine Sol, then mix it well. Then you want to make sure and really wring out your mop well, getting rid of any excess water that you can. And yep, that is what I am doing with my mop. I am mopping my walls, cleaning my walls. Using a sponge mop works amazing. You don't need a ladder, you don't need a step stool. You can reach all the way to the ceiling. I have 10-foot ceilings, and it takes doing a wall this size maybe 5 minutes to clean. Versus doing this by hand, floor to ceiling, would probably take you for this size wall about a half an hour. I definitely do not recommend using this method of cleaning your walls if you have a flat paint finish on your walls. The only finishes that I would use this method on is a semi-gloss, a satin finish, or an eggshell finish. I personally have an eggshell finish style paint on my walls because it is very close to the look of a flat paint. I love the look of flat paint, but using this eggshell paint, you get all the benefits of a satin and semi-gloss paint, giving you the option to be able to wipe down your walls without ruining your walls like you would if you had a flat paint on your walls. Here's a couple of tips and tricks. When you get these spots here on your wall, on the baseboard and on the edges of your wall, the scratches and scuff marks on your doors, these are frustrating. I like to use a 2-in-1 quick eraser. You can get this one at the Dollar Tree. It basically is the same thing as the magic erasers by Mr. Clean that you can get, only these have a sponge and the magic eraser on them, which is really cool because the magic erasers only have the magic eraser. I love that it has a sponge and the magic eraser. I'm gonna take and just dampen my magic eraser and sponge. And look how easy the dirt and the scuff marks come off your walls and baseboards. These magic erasers really do magically take off the dirt and scuff marks without taking off your paint. This is definitely something that I do as needed throughout my house to keep up my baseboards, my doors, and my walls.
And there you have it. This was something that I definitely needed to come up with because I truly believe in pride and ownership, and that is something that I try to teach to my kids, is to take care and maintain the things that you're paying for, the things that you've bought, to make them last longer and stay nice longer. And so cleaning my walls is definitely one of those things. It's just something that I've always done. It's something that has kind of been one of those pet peeves. If I see scuffs on my molding or on my doors or any kind of dirt on my walls from maybe the kids walking through the house and maybe touching them, it's just something that I feel you can quick and easily take care of by using a mop and cleaning your walls. And so this is definitely one of those things that I do as needed throughout the year. I can't say that I really do it every few months or this amount of time. It's something that when I see that my walls are looking a little bit grimy or my floorboards have dirt on them or scuffs, it is definitely something that I make a mental note of and put aside some time to clean it, because I want my house to stay as nice and as new as I can for as long as I can. And I believe that that is a good lesson that I can keep teaching to my kids, is definitely that lesson that my mom taught me, is to take pride in ownership. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes, because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow, and it helps YouTube to notice me a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.